The Binance Exchange is a leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 in Hong Kong. It features a strong focus on altcoin trading. Binance offers crypto-to-crypto trading in more than 500 cryptocurrencies and virtual tokens, including Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and its own token, Binance Coin. Hello everyone, this is HelpTech and we are back with another how-to video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and creating an account in Binance. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and in the search bar type Binance. To download the app, tap on Get. Once downloaded, open it. To register your account, you need to provide your email address and then create a secure password. You can also provide your referral ID, but since it is optional, I am going to skip it, and then tap on the right arrow. You'll then have to solve a puzzle. After solving the puzzle, a verification code will be sent to the email address that you have just provided. Open your mail to check the verification code. So this is my verification code. Enter it here and tap on Submit. You'll then be asked if you have purchased your cryptocurrency before. If you have, tap on Yes, I have. If you haven't, tap on No, I haven't. I'm going to choose the second one, and then tap on Next option. Now select your country or your region, and again tap on Next. Choose the type of currency that you use to buy the crypto, and again tap on Next. Finally, you'll have to verify your identity. To verify your identity, tap on Verify Now. You can also use your Binance account without verifying your identity, and there you go. Your Binance account has been finally created, and now you can access it using your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If so, please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel HelpTech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.